So we've obviously seen the TRON meme coin ecosystem absolutely explode after the founder Justin Sun launched a $10 million initiative program for developers to launch meme coins. They also launched their own version of Pump Fun so that anyone could very easily launch meme coins on TRON. And when he did that, tons of liquidity flowed over to the TRON ecosystem, and we've now seen meme coins on TRON absolutely explode, such as SunDog reaching almost $300 million in market cap today after launching just like a week ago. Absolutely crazy numbers, and there are reasons to believe that a lot of this liquidity might be moving to BNB Chain next. So today I'm going to cover why I think now is a great time to get into BNB meme coins before the masses joined, and if you get in early, there should be massive opportunities for you to make a lot of money on the BNB chain when it comes to meme coins. And I will obviously cover everything you need to know when it comes to trading meme coins over on the BNB chain. So if you enjoyed the video, smash a like and subscribe to the channel. With that said, let's dive straight into it. So first of all, let me show you some of the reasons why I think BNB Chain is set up for a massive meme coin run over the next few weeks and months. First of all, we have already started to see a lot of volume move over to the Binance Chain. For example, on BinanceDog, we've seen over $7 million in 24-hour volume, which is obviously a ton of volume on a coin like this that just launched 2 days ago. So some smart people are already starting to rotate over to the BNB chain and get in early on some of these tokens. We're also seeing CC, the founder of Binance, finally out of prison, and he's being transferred to a halfway house, and he's going to be fully released in September. And CC has definitely seen what Justin Sun did over on TRON, which created all of this liquidity and volume in the ecosystem, and I'm expecting him to do something similar with BNB chain. As soon as he's fully released, I think he will be super active in the space again, and I think that will be super bullish for the entire Binance ecosystem. And to top things off, we have also seen Binance Chain launch their own version of Pump Fun, which is 4.meme. And in the past 48 hours, over 3,700 tokens has launched on 4.meme. Obviously massive numbers, so people are already starting to see a trend here, and it's definitely worth paying attention to. And you can also see the BNB Chain account itself with 3.5 million followers starting to push different meme coin tweets. They hosted a big space about meme season on BNB Chain just yesterday, so they're definitely planning something big here, which is why I think it's important to get in before the masses. Okay, so let's cover some of the basics. First of all, when it comes to what wallet you should use on BNB Chain, MetaMask is my go-to and the wallet that most people uses for BNB Chain, because in your MetaMask wallet, you can swap over to the BNB Chain up here in the top left corner. Very straightforward. Then it should be the same wallet address that you use for your Ethereum or Base transactions as well. And when it comes to swapping tokens on BNB Chain, PancakeSwap is the largest DEX and the DEX you should be using when buying and selling tokens on BNB Chain. But when trading small cap meme coins, I definitely recommend you to use some sort of trading bot. As you know, BullX is my go-to trading bot because they have basically all the biggest change available on their platform. So this is the homepage for BullX, and if you go to chains right here, you can see that you can trade Ethereum, Binance, Base, Arbitrum, Blast, and Solana tokens on BullX. And just yesterday, BullX also announced that they will implement TRON as well. So basically all the biggest chains will be available on BullX. So if you want 10% less trading fees on BullX and get early access to the TRON trading feature that will go live very shortly, definitely make sure to sign up with my link down below. But if you're looking to only trade Binance tokens, make sure you turn off all the other chains so that you can only see Binance tokens. And now all the tokens you can see right here on BullX are only on the BNB chain. So if we, for example, bring up BinanceDog, this is what it looks like. You need to make sure you have some BNB tokens in your wallet, of course, to trade with, and then you can buy and sell right here. You can put limit orders as well. You can see all the transactions, top holders, top traders, market cap, volume, liquidity. You have the chart, you have a security audit right here. If you're new to BullX, make sure you also create a wallet and download the private keys to import that into MetaMask, so you have the wallet available on BullX and on MetaMask. And do note that you can only download the private keys within the first 48 hours of making your new wallet, so definitely make sure to do that right away. When it comes to looking at charts and different tokens, similar to basically all the other chains, you should be using either DEX Tools or DEX Screener. They are the two biggest websites to use and the ones that I personally use as well, where you have all of the key information for all of these tokens. And now let me show you 4.meme, which is the BNB equivalent to Pump Fun on Solana. And honestly, I prefer 4.meme over Pump Fun. It's a super good UX and UI, just a very good user experience compared to Pump Fun. So I think once this starts to really take off, people will have a great time using the BNB chain and 4.meme. Basically just because it's super easy to understand and easy to use. Do note that they will also be doing an airdrop in the future, so if you start using it now, you might start earning some airdrop points as well. But basically you can create a new token right here. You have the top market caps on the platform, so obviously these tokens are about to migrate over to PancakeSwap, about to finish their bonding curve here on 4.meme. This one is 97% done. You can see the top gainers in the past 24 hours on the platform. You can see all the tokens that just got listed on PancakeSwap and finished their bonding curve. You can see some Oscars projects, not exactly sure what that is, but probably just some top projects launched on 4.meme, and all the most recently launched tokens right here as well. So super easy to use. You just connect your wallet and then you can trade 4.meme tokens right on their website. And that's another reason why I think the liquidity will move over to BNB Chain as well, just because the user experience is a lot better and easier to understand compared to TRON. The transition over to TRON is a lot harder than the transition from Solana or Ethereum over to BNB Chain, since you are using the MetaMask wallet, and it's just a much more developed ecosystem and just easier to use and easier to understand. So that's the basics of how to trade meme coins on Binance, but let me also show you some of my top meme coin picks that hopefully should see some good returns over the next few weeks and months once more liquidity start moving into the BNB ecosystem. So first of all, we do have BinanceDog, which is a recently launched token. It launched 3 days ago. Obviously, I showed this earlier in the video as well. It's currently sitting at only $3 million market cap, even though it did go all the way up close to $10 million. They've done over $7 million in volume. They already have over 7,000 holders, and they have a really good presence over on X or Twitter. They're posting very actively. They're also participating in these huge spaces with huge influencers. For example, this space with 4.meme themselves. And if we search for the ticker or the hashtag, they have a lot of smart people with a lot of influence tweeting about them. That seems to be very bullish on the project. So I do think BinanceDog could be a great buy at these levels as long as the team execute well. And that's basically the entire tutorial and guide on how to get started trading meme coins over on BNB Chain, and why I think it might be a good idea to get in now, because I do think a lot of liquidity will move over there and we might see a BNB meme coin bull run very soon. Let me know what you think of the BNB ecosystem as a whole. Do you currently find it interesting? Do you think we will see a meme coin bull run over on the Binance Chain? Let me know what tokens you're bullish on and what video you would like me to make next. Make sure to join my free Telegram down below, where we can share some meme coin alpha with each other. Also, if you haven't signed up to BullX, make sure to do that with my link down below. Smash a like and subscribe to the channel. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.